In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with ClickUp on mobile. Download the app, sign in, and create your first task. We'll keep this simple and practical. First, grab the ClickUp app from the App Store or Google Play. Once the download finishes, open the app. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If you're new, create your account right in the app. It only takes a moment. This sets you up so everything you do on mobile syncs with your workspace across devices. When you land on the home screen, this is your hub. Here you'll see what matters today and what's coming up next. Your tasks appear front and center along with reminders and recent work so you can pick up exactly where you left off. If something catches your eye, just tap any task to open it instantly. You'll be able to read the details, check the status and understand what's expected at a glance, which is great for quick updates on the go. Now let's create a task together. Tap the plus button, then choose task. You'll see a simple form. Enter a clear task name so it's easy to recognize later. Add a due date to keep it on track. Pick a realistic time frame that fits your schedule or your team's plan. Choose an assignee. This can be yourself if you're the one responsible, so there's no ambiguity about ownership. Use the description to capture the context, steps, or links you'll need when it's time to work. The more precise the description, the fewer questions you'll have later. When everything looks good, tap Create. That's it. Your task is now saved and visible on your home screen and in the relevant views. Speaking of views, ClickUp Mobile supports List View, Board View, and Calendar View. Each one gives you a different way to understand your work. List View is perfect when you want a clean, organized rundown of tasks with key details in a single place. Board View lets you see tasks as cards grouped by status, which is helpful if you like to visualize progress and move items from to-do to done. Calendar View lays tasks out by date so you can spot busy days and balance your workload. Try switching between them to see which helps you focus best. That's the quick start. Download, sign in, or create your account, explore your home screen, add a task with a clear name, due date, assignee, and description, and use the view that matches your style. You're ready to stay organized with ClickUp on the go.